My name is Zhongchen Gen, and I'm currently studying FRB with supervisor Haruka in the University of Tokyo and Professor Tetsuya and Mr. Taro in NTHU. And Fast Radio Burst is the most detected but least known astronomical phenomenon in the universe. And in the recent years, it started to become a popular topic for astronomers studying, and we are one of the team. So first, what is FRB? FRB is an energetic super short duration radio event that happens all around the sky. And it's so short that it only lasts for milliseconds. And it happens so frequently that we expect there are over 1,000 FRB per day. Since FRB are so frequently happen, why the origin of this signal is still unknown. Because for traditional instruments, it's hard to detect this very short event. And also due to this, it's hard to precisely measure the location of the FRB. We can see here is an error circle of the FRB that detected in 2017. It includes so many galaxies, so it's hard for us to find where the FRB actually comes from. Thanks to today's improvement of instruments, make our study be possible. So why the astronomers are being interested in FRB? Because there are so many applications in astronomical research. We can see here, when the light passing through the prism, the different wavelengths of light will have different speeds, and this causes the different wavelengths arrival time difference. And when the light passing through the plasma in the universe, similar things happen. You can see in this figure, this is a figure of time and frequency map. And we can see this difference is the difference between the difference of time caused by the dispersion of the plasma. We can measure the distribution of the intergalactic plasma with FRB signal. And also we can measure the Hubble constant, which is an important parameter for studying the galaxy expansion. And today's astronomer improved the quality and number of detection of FRB with large field of view telescope. And also they increased the high resolution to measure this arrival time difference. And also we improved the special resolution to localize the FRB for a scientific purpose. And back to Taiwan, we have an ongoing program named Burst, and we expected Burst to become a leader of this FRB studying fields in the future. And regarding to our research, our goal is to reveal the origin of the FRB by mapping the property of the host galaxy of several FRB. And in our study, we precisely measure the metallicity or so-called oxygen abundance of the host galaxy of each location. We can see here is a 2D map of the host galaxy of the FRB 19101. The darker the color is, the higher the intensity. And our motivation is that the oxygen abundance or metallicity can control the star evolution type. So we can constrain the possible candidate of the origin of FRB with this study. And how do we do this? We retrieve the integral field spectroscopic data from the VLT fields raw data archive, and we do the data reduction and do the coordinate collaboration by ourselves. And we also analyze the metallicity from its spectrum of flux of different element emission line. And our results so far, we can see here, we convert the abundance to a radial gradient. And we can see our FRB is located in a relatively lower metallicity region for this FRB sample. We will see whether this is common to another 11 samples we'll study in the future. In the future, we plan to study the star formation history of several galaxies with the model of the relation between galaxy and spectrum. We hope to further approach the answer of this astronomical mystery. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, right. So, what do you mean by origin? You mean where? But my question is,
okay.
Why? What's special about this
origin?
Yeah.
Okay, because when we observe the event, such explosive event, like there's a very high peak of EM wave, and we expected this to come from a massive source in the universe. So it may come from black hole, maybe come from magnetars. So this study can because there are so many FRB in the universe, and we still don't know why there are so many. So this is a huge question for the astronomers because there are so many of these things, and we don't know what is this.
But it's definitely not from alien.
Some astronomers study this. They say maybe this is related to the element activities, like something they make these signals. Some astronomers will say this, but we just curious about the origin of this FRB. What is the star and what is the